Hello, this is Lori with Rock & Co Crafts. I want to thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be another unboxing video. Now, Let's Resin just recently released their 4-in-1 electric resin sander and polishing machine, or sanding and polishing machine. I am super excited about this because currently when I have to sand a piece and then polish it, of course, I have to do it by hand, and it's a very labor intensive process. Right now this is on sale, so I wanted to scoop up on it while it was on sale. And of course I bought a set of molds, but this is a new set that they are offering at Let's Resin right now. And if you're interested in either one of these products or any of the Let's Resin products, I am a Let's Resin affiliate, and I will put that affiliate link in my description box below. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start with the new mold set because I am super excited about this. Let me get this open. This is actually 4 molds, and they're skulls. Now this skull mold looks different than my other skull. It's got a different look to it. Oh, there's a little teeny tiny one in here, y'all. So this skull mold does look different. It doesn't look the same as the one I've been pouring. Now, I love pouring the skulls. When I first started working with resin, I wouldn't have ever thought to pour a skull. But once I poured that first one, I was hooked because it just looks so cool when you put stuff in these things. But the facial features are different than the one that I've been pouring. Plus, look, it's like 4 different sizes. I love that idea. So yeah, I will be pouring 1 or more of these in the real near future. So let me stack those back together, and that's nice. They just kind of go in. That is so little. They just go in like that. So let me put those back in the box, and let's get down to business with this. This one is one I am super excited about because sanding your work is a lot of work, and I have some that's piling up simply because, simply because I procrastinate on it. So we have a little electric resin sand and polish machine booklet, instruction booklet, I'm sure. So let's see what else is in here. Let me move that out of the way. There's looks like 2 different sides. This looks like some kind of pad. I can't tell you I know a whole bunch about this yet because I don't. But I do know that it does. You can either put it in like the USB or the AC. Right, is that what's called? Yeah, AC adapter. But this is the AC plug, which is great because when I use this, I don't think I'm going to use it in my studio. I think I'm going to actually probably use it in the garage simply because I don't want all the extra dust flying around. There's several different grades of sanding disc here. These are the smaller ones. These are the bigger ones. That's great. So let me set that. I'm not, again, I have to do some reading to figure out what that is, but it fits on this one. Okay, there's one for both. Okay. Where's my smaller one at? It's got to be in here somewhere because this actually attaches to the machine. So let's see what we have down in here. Let's see if I can let me get this out first. I do know that this is like a guard that you can put over it. Let me set that aside. Set that aside. Let me pull this out. This is the polishing disc. Let me see if I can get this out. I know this is the grinding disc. And then this is the one that's got the little, and you can take these off and switch them out. Now, as far as how to do that, I'm going to have to do some reading. But it looks like, I mean, that's a lot of stuff, actually. The grinding for the really heavy duty stuff, polishing for all of it, because you always have to polish. 2 different sizes, which is great. And I mean, I watched a quick video that they had on Let's Resin for this machine, but that was when I ordered it. So you like open that up, you can put that in there, and then like if you have a smaller piece, you would hold it up here and sand it, polish it, grind it, whatever it is you needed to do. And then this I know comes off, but I want to read to figure out how, because I don't want to break this new machine. I am super excited about it, though. I am super excited about this, and there's a lot of different discs, and they do tell you, it looks like on the bottom of the sanding disc, just want to make sure, it tells you what grade, which is amazing, because, you know, if you sand resin pieces, you know you have to work your way down the grades or up the grades. Always get that confused. But that's what we have. I need to see about, I see a little thing saying to, yeah, I don't want to break it. So let me take this out. I mean, you don't have to put it in there if you needed to. I mean, it's really light, so it's easy on the hands. And of course, it's not charged up. And it is 3 speeds. I do know there's a 3-speed. Is that what this says? I read it on the side of the box or something. Let me see where I read that at. Okay, it is 3-speed adjustable, dual power supply, portable or plug-in, large display, easy operations, and compact and lightweight design. And it does kind of show you that you can, if you, I'm going to say this wrong, orbital sander, bench grinder, disc sander, and bench polisher. So that is super cool. And I will be doing a video in the pretty near future, because as I said, I have a few pieces stacking up because I was procrastinating. Because when you sand it all by hand, I don't have a belt sander or anything. I do all of it by hand. It's quite the task. Anyhow, let me know what you think. And also, do consider checking it out on Let's Resin. Stitching time saves 9, and I think this is going to save me a lot of time. And if you like the molds, get ready, because I'll be pouring those again soon. I know I'm still in the middle of the 3-part series of the large skull molds, but these will be probably not too far behind. I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, please consider hitting the like, share, and if you haven't already, the subscribe buttons. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time.